Welcome to this stunning 2020 Parade home, located in the highly sought-after Carriage Hill Subdivision. This custom-built modern farmhouse is truly a dream, featuring luxurious upgrades and shiplap accents throughout. The home boasts a spacious split floor plan with an open-concept kitchen, dining area, and living room highlighted by an inviting electric fireplace. The farmhouse-style kitchen is a chef's delight, offering a large quartz island with ample storage, sleek black stainless steel appliances, a hidden pantry, and built-in wine racks. The expansive primary ensuite provides a tranquil retreat with dual sinks, a large walk-in closet, a relaxing soaking tub, and a beautifully tiled shower. The oversized laundry room is equipped with a convenient sink and folding table. A cozy study office nook is tucked away in the hallway, perfect for working from home. This home is filled with decorative lighting and ceiling fans, ensuring every room is both functional and stylish. Situated on a corner lot, it offers a side entry garage, a private backyard with trees, and an extended patio, all enhanced by a sprinkler system for easy maintenance. Located within the highly rated Wylie East ISD, this beautiful home offers 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms.